As a maintenance manager, ensuring the accuracy of work orders is a critical aspect of your role. While reviewing a work order, you notice that the problem code is unspecified. However, watsonx generates a problem code recommendation and a predicted confidence score right where and when you need it. To inform your decision even further, look at the top list of additional failure code recommendations. You can confirm the best-fitting code by the level of confidence provided by generative AI, or override it using your own expertise. Now that you're happy with your selection, you save the work order and decide to use it to train the AI model. This will help improve the accuracy and relevance of the recommendations for future maintenance tasks. With better data, you can make better decisions and assign work more accurately.